to play the fantastic Sam Fender song Angel In Lothian. Capo on the 5th fret, standard tuning, and it's the same chord progression throughout the entire song. So the first chord is a C chord. We're going to add the pinky finger and the high E string at the 3rd fret. We're going to strum down, down, up, down, up. Then swap to an E minor chord. Same thing here, we're going to add the pinky finger to the high E string at the 3rd fret. Same strumming again, down, down, up, down, up. Then to a G, same thing, down, down, up, down, up. Then we go to a D chord. We're going to pick the D string, high E, B, G. We're going to play the high E string again, hammer onto 3rd, pull off, back to 2nd. Then we pick B, high E, B. Okay, so you've got C, E minor, G, then the D riff. Second time through, we go to an A minor 7 instead of a C chord. Again, we've got the pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret, exactly the same strumming, so down, down, up, down, up, then to E minor, down, down, up, down, up, G. Then the D chord riff again. So for the whole thing, we have C, E minor, G, D riff, A minor 7, E minor, G, and the D riff again. And that repeats throughout the entire song. As always, make sure you jam along with the original song. It will really help speed up your guitar progress and improve many aspects of your guitar playing. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.